बाटो होस् न
यहाँ मन्जरी बस्छ ल नानी
कस्तो नगरेको तिम्रो डेट पाएर No, they are very eager. They are very proud of that table they get. You know, they brought from Kathmandu to here. You know, it's about 600 kilometers far from Kathmandu. So I feel very proud. That gift, kind of gift.
Thank you. V भनेको 5 X भनेको 10 L भनेको 50 C भनेको 100 D भनेको 500 M भनेको 1000 यो देब्रेपट्टि आएकोले के भयो त घट हो अनि उता दाहिनेपट्टि गयो भने के हुन्छ त जोडिन्छ प्रकाशले त पहिलाको नि अलिअलि याद होला नि यो त ठिकै थियो कस्तो फेल हो A B C D E F G 11
The children love this decks very much because they don't have audio before, but now they have decks. So they can put bags over here and then all the stuff over here they need. Decks also like that. Decks no आको हमरा राम्रो भएको राम्रो है किन आको राम्रो They feel good about decks. लाइट क्या गर्नु पर्छ क्या I'm scared.
That was in that toilet?
Yeah. Oh, you are lucky.
He doesn't live in that toilet, does he?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
क्या लगू ना snake no I'm scared I want to see that and I run about there and I saw the snake like 4-5 feet here and they have rod and he beat all the stuff and snakes are killed here. You can see here.
Where was the snake going?
Toilet. Just came back from over there, no? You are lucky. You're gonna see that snake and you didn't bite. You are lucky, Aura.
भने साथै बाँचकेलाई बहानामा टाढा भयो जीवन भयो बहानामा टाढा भयो जीवन भरि
आउँछ है एबिसिडी आउँछ है तिमीलाई आउँछ एबिसिडी हो गुड ल लिना हो यो को हो बेस अनि यो को हो रिता है डियर रिता डियर भनेको के हो एकदम माया गरेर भनेको डियर रिता आई वुड रियली लाइक टु मिट यु तिमीहरूलाई भेट्न म एकदम मन छ अरे तिमीलाई मन छ कि छैन छ तिमीलाई छ है भेट्न मन छ है they also really like to meet them Can you be my friend? तिमी उसको साथी बन्ने हो Yes, she wants to be her friend. तिमी बन्ने हो कि हैन तिमी उसको साथी बन्ने हो कि हैन उसको साथी बन्ने हो कि हैन Yeah, he also like be friend of her. Ani One day I would like to come to Nepal. एक दिन कुनै केही भयो भने नेपाल आउनु मन छ रे उलाई कसलाई Yeah, she wanna know more about her, like what is her favorite color, what is her favorite book, does she like music or not. She wanna know about her more, and she really feels good when she hears the letter from Lina. So nice of her to write letter to her. यहाँ के लेखेछ थाहा छ के लेखेछ भेज तिमीलाई पढ्न आउँछ है के हो यो अगाडिको They are very happy for sending those bracelets. Thank you, Lina.
चोखो माया लाउनेहरूलाई रुवाउँदै किन छुटाउँछ दैवले चोखो माया लाउनेहरूलाई